In the quiet village, Ankit dreams of bringing light and progress, his heart ablaze with the fervor of change. Chaos disrupts the peace as the unexpected event sends tremors of fear through the once tranquil village. Ankit faces the adversary who thrives on maintaining the status quo, their clash of wills sending ripples of tension through the community. Ankit implores the inhabitants to join him in dispelling the darkness, but murmurs of dissent linger among those reluctant to embrace change. Through sweat and determination, Ankit forges ahead, his shadow a lone silhouette against the backdrop of resistance. Amidst setbacks and hurdles, a flicker of hope illuminates Ankit's path, guiding him towards a novel approach to bring light to the village. In a moment of betrayal, the antagonist strikes back, testing Ankit's resolve and pushing the village to the brink of despair. Bound by a common goal, the villagers stand shoulder to shoulder, their resolve unyielding as they forge a path towards enlightenment. In the glow of newfound radiance, the village stands transformed, a beacon of hope and resilience that defies the odds and inspires all who doubted its transformation.